Welcome back, folks, to another episode of Homestead Fabricator. I'm here in the Woodyard with a special guest, Chris from In the Woodyard.
Hello.
Hey, Chris.
Hello. Yeah, I decided to come visit today. We're not too far from each other, so.
Yeah, surprisingly, I figured out about where his woodyard is, and we got to talking and wanted to do a video together for a while, and finally doing it today.
Yeah, we're here. So, and you've got some wood, and
Yeah.
it needs cutting. So I brought my saws.
Yeah, we'll
You want me to cut it all for you today?
Well, if you don't mind, that would be nice. That'd help me out a lot. But no, that's not in the cards. Just
Well, it's
a
early
tank
morning.
or two of gas. Yeah, it's like forecast is 94 degrees today.
Yeah, it's supposed to be 94. Right now it's comfortable, but it's probably about 75 or so right now.
It was that probably an hour ago.
Oh well, it's going to get
getting
warm fast. If you start the saws, I'll start sweating.
Yeah, I'm already sweating now because I'm not used to being outside much in the heat.
Yeah.
I'm a air conditioned boy, but
Yeah.
well, Chris is gonna help out today, show me his saws, maybe try out one of his. He's gonna be trying out my Husqvarna 550 XP Mark II.
So what do you want to know?
So
Fast
Chris,
forward.
what got you interested in doing a video with me?
Well, I know that the best way to grow your YouTube channel and to get more followers is to do collaborations with other YouTube people that are in the same genre. So I want to meet as many people as possible. Plus, I'm interested in finding out how people do things because I am not the sharpest stick in the woods. I know other people are smarter than me, so I like talking to people to find out what they do better, what they do different, to find out if I could, make improvements. So
Yeah, I'm about as sharp as dull as a chainsaw that's been run through the dirt and the rocks and stones and never sharpened.
Well,
some days.
well, then we're about the same level, so that's nothing wrong with that. Yeah, and just to get to know people in the firewood community. See, I don't have an actual stand yet for selling wood. I just deliver wood, but I want to get a stand somewhere where I am, and I want to get to know other people that are doing actual stands, how they run it, how they fill it, how they charge it, how they break their quantities down, how they present it, all the little nuances that go with selling wood that I don't do that way because I've never done it. So I'm trying to find out more about it. So that's another one of the reasons why I wanted to get a hold of people like you and find out what you're doing.
Yeah, there's quite a few different ways. There's the style I do with the 4-foot and 8-foot racks, and there's the pallet roadside stands where it's all made out of pallets, and then others have just all bundles. A lot of different ways to do it.
Yeah, well, and there's a lot of people that get displays at stores, gas stations, things like that, convenience stores, which is another way to do it. That's the big way to do it as far as being bulk. There's people that do hundreds of bundles a day that sell them at multiple locations, which is something I'd like to do eventually when I build the business up bigger. So that's your goal too, right? To own all the wood in the whole county.
That would be nice, but right now that's not possible with the regular job.
Yeah.
To do that on the weekends, I'd have to get a processor and hire someone to do deliveries during the week for me.
It could happen. You never know.
Yep.
It could happen.
The main reason why I wanted to get together with Chris is I really enjoyed his channel a lot. Been watching it since almost the beginning when I started looking up starting a firewood business. And the main reason why I got together with Chris was I wanted to do videos together. I've been following him since nearly the beginning of his channel when he did videos on starting a firewood business. And then I was like, well, the welding thing I was doing wasn't quite working out, so I'll still do that here and there for my own projects. But I mainly got into firewood for the exercise, and
It'll give you that.
yeah, it's made a difference already. I can notice it in the muscles, the firmness. Physical endurance is going up.
Oh yeah, just keep going. It gets to where if you don't do it, you miss it.
Yeah, I missed it last weekend when I was busy with just customers and helping them load up.
Yeah.
I didn't do a whole lot last weekend, but now we're back at it hard. So
Yeah.
we're gonna get cutting.
So we're gonna make this pile disappear.
We're gonna make big pieces and the little pieces, and then even smaller pieces later on.
Yep, that sounds like a plan. I think we should get cutting.
Let's go.
Okay, here we go.
You want the little ones cut in half, or you want full-size pieces? Full size.
like that?
Do it again. Yeah.
Woo! Somebody turned the heat up.
Just wait, it'll warm up.
Yeah. So that was one tank.
Well, you could tell it was starting to bog already.
It was, yeah. Did you hear it go wah, wah, wah?
No, I missed that right at the end there.
Ran out of gas.
That is impressive.
Cuts fast, doesn't it?
Cuts fast. It does a lot. It does more than. That's all the wood I could handle in a day.
That's right. In the days when I cut 9, 10, 12 tanks. When I cut 9, 10, 12 tanks. It's a lot of wood.
Yeah, I can handle 2 right now in that.
If I could just have somebody get it out of my way. If someone could just get the rounds out of my way, because you got to be careful out there. You got to get where you're planted before you cut. If I can just cut, it's fast.
Yeah, you kind of lied there. You said you're part squirrel. I'd say you're more mountain goat than squirrel.
Well, maybe I'm 50% mountain goat, 49% squirrel, 1% human. I don't know. Yeah, I have pretty good balance. I've done it enough that you just get good at it. It's something you don't want to just do right away. You work your way into it. But you saw when they get the rounds in the way, I flick them with the saw and get them out of the way. I would get on the end of it.
Yeah, I saw that. I do that too when I'm on the ground. And
yeah, you gotta kick them all the way to get to where your round is flat, so you're not fighting it. But yeah, sounds like Al's having fun over there.
Yeah, we've got another guy cutting. So, what do you think, Chris, of working out here in my wood yard?
It's probably the best job I've ever had.
Somehow I knew he'd say that. Till next time, folks, take care, get out there and do something.
See ya.